Up to everybody. This is Marino from Marino's Mysteries, and I've got something special. I have some Japanese snacks that we're going to be trying. Well, not we're. I'm. I figured now's as good a time as any. My blood sugar is low, and I've got a hankering for something different. So, I don't know why I'm putting on my glasses because it won't make any difference. This is the first thing we got. Looks like some kind of puff balls. Oh, actually, there's a little bit of English on here. Even though it may be Southern English. Texas corn. I was thinking about using one of those translator programs, but I'm sure all it says is happy, good tasting stuff. So let's get into this a little bit. And here we go. Nice little puffy corn thing. It smells interesting, kind of like corn. You know what I should do is ask one of the old people that keeps hanging around here to come in and try this with me. You know, I don't know what the Japanese think Texas corn is supposed to taste like. But these little cheese balls are pretty good. All right. Let's try something else. This one looks interesting. Oh. Didn't realize that was going to do that. It's a little green. Hold on a minute here. I can shut this green screen off for a minute. Okay, it's little green. See, that's the problem. I can't even tell what is up and what is down. And there doesn't appear to be any English on here, just the pictographs. So I will open this up. Now, the one thing I can tell is there is an apple on there. So I've got a feeling that these are going to be some kind of apple things. And there's actually a toothpick in here. So take. Oh, they're trying to get away from me. I will take the toothpick and stab one of the little suckers. Let's see. It's doesn't smell like anything. It's kind of a hard, not extremely hard, but it looks like it has some kind of a coating on it too. I hope that didn't do anything because I just hit the keyboard. Okay. That has a slight apple flavor to it. If you look, even the trying to get a good pick on that, but um, when I stab the candy, it really it goes right in there, no problem. This is it has just a hint of apple, and it's pretty good. All right, let's pick something out. Here is another green one with dancing penguin ducks. No idea what that says. No English on this one. So let's give it a try. These are little rings. Not really making some adjustments. These there's really no big flavor to these. And that's it. Empty. Rings. Little Japanese rings. All right, here's some more. Now, I'll tell you what this looks like. Okay. This looks like soup crackers. Yeah, the camera's up kind of high. Soup crackers. First impression, they're soup crackers. Crunchy, with a different flavor. A much sweeter soup cracker. Oh, I don't know what that flavor is, but I like that flavor. I can see nothing that I can recognize. Oh, I do like these. Oh, these are starting to grow on me. Much better than soup crackers. Oh, much better. These are really starting to grow on me. Oh. If you ever get a chance to buy what this says, buy them. This. No English. Those things are a little bit dry, but as a matter of fact, let's cleanse the palate. Okay, sugar-free. Oh, wow. Sugar-free, cherry, Coca-Cola. Now, this thing feels like a big cracker stick. Again, no language on here besides Japanese. But whatever that thing is, it looks like it's happy and it's singing into a microphone. So I would imagine, I keep forgetting, I imagine this is a microphone stick. Okay, interesting. A little bit yellow. It, you can see right through it. Oh, that has a weird. That has a weird. That has a weird smell to it. It's Oh, it's a different kind of a cheese smell. And you can't smell it until you get right on top of it. All right, let's give the happy microphone. Oh, oh, yeah, that's good. I should have mentioned that it's very light, a lot like a Cheeto. Are those the yeah, a lot like a Cheeto, and it kind of looks like a Cheeto. Oh, and it smell it no, doesn't smell like a Cheeto, but the flavor is good. And it leaves behind a little bit of a Cheeto uh, residue. Oh, it's different, but it's good. Oh, I like that. All right. Oh, here again another again another dry one. Here's another one that's red. This one was pretty much white. This one is kind of red and maybe not even an S. Bo taco. There's kids and those round things, and no English again, no other language again, but it's very cool. There's no green in that. Why is that going? I don't know. But that is light and just like a Cheeto. Oh my goodness, this is different. I'd almost say that looks like it went bad. Very light, very different smell. If I was going just by the smell, I probably would not eat that. There is a hole through the middle of that one. Oh, I can almost smell this one from behind, or from not real far away. Okay, it's light. It's this one feels sticky, just a little bit sticky, but that could be because there was something on my fingers. Did these kids look happy? That is a strange. Yeah, see, this one is people getting punched, or those things punching. See, and that one has a Band-Aid on it, and that one's yelling, "Get away from me, you whack jobs." Oh, that's a weird flavor. Oh, that one tastes like it smells. Um Man, I don't know. I think I just saw smoke coming off it. Did you see smoke coming off it? Oh, that's a weird. I mean, that's a flavor I could get used to, but I didn't expect that. Oh, I can't. I can't describe it. That one isn't anything like Cheeto dust. Maybe if you could, an old Dorito, maybe that is expired, and somehow they reverberated it and put some no, no. I would order if I had a chance, and I knew I'd be scared to death if anybody tells me what what it is. But oh my god, there's another one. Now this one, people are a little bit surprised. Oh boy. And this isn't a green one. And whatever those things are, I keep forgetting this is up high. Uh, um, they're on a tightrope, clown suit. Um, no other language except Japanese. Ooh, that's kind of an interesting. And it's got stuff. Okay, this one is drier. This one is more Cheeto-y, Cheeto-ly looking. No, that's not even close to being a word, but all right. Going in for a. Oh boy, I didn't even. Oh, that's got a weird from. Oh, I'm starting to pick it up right there. That's the closest that. I mean, furthest away that I've smelled any of these. Oh my, that's a. That's a potato au gratin smell. Oh boy, I can really and I don't know what the specks of kakapui is in there, but ah. Oh, I like that one. That one is, the potato au gratin, potato, mashed potato with chives. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, that's a winner. What was that? The green one? That was the green one from the circus. Absolutely a winner. Potato au gratin. Oh, God. What is it with you people? All right. This one is another one. And this one has some people that are doing experiments. This is a purple wrapper. And they're people that are doing experiments and they've had accidents and I'm not exactly sure what that says, but I'm really sure some of this says proceed with caution. Oh, lordy, lordy. All right. Every time we open one, it looks more and more like a Cheeto. Now, this one is, very much Cheeto dust. No sticky to it. Okay. Um, that's I can smell it. That that smells like expensive sneakers in a shoe store. Oh, kind of with a cheap, no, with a medium expensive rubber sole. That tastes like I wouldn't call that a good flavor. Definitely not a Cheeto flavor. Oh, I know. If you mix Cheetos with ketchup, don't inhale when you're eating that one. Okay. I've been don't do that either. Yeah. All right. I've been doing this for 30 minutes. And I got one more of the Cheeto sticks in there that I can tell, and then maybe some smaller ones. Oh, jeez, I keep forgetting and stuff. So I'm gonna break this up into a two-part a two-part series. Let's see if these will. Texas corn will save the day. Anyway, I'll do this in a way. One almost got away. I'll do this into a two-part series. So this is Japanese snack food 1. Stay tuned for Japanese snack food 2, or part B. Oh, I hope that's not going to be a problem. I'll have to eat some more Texas corn. So it was nice of you to hang around and watch me eat weird stuff. Thank you, and stay tuned.